In the previous tutorial, I have shown you the full base inverter circuit. Okay, this was our circuit now, but our output signal was like rectangle. Okay, but in this tutorial, I will show you how to generate a sinusoidal signal from DC source, single phase. Okay, for that, I have also made a video on how to generate sinusoidal signal, sinusoidal pulse width modulation. You have to first check this two video. I will give the video link in the description, and then see the video. Okay, here I am going to my sinusoidal. This was my sinusoidal pulse width modulation. Okay, I'm copying this block and model, sorry, and paste it to make a subsystem block. Okay, here I need get two get pulses. Okay, for that I'm deleting this two block and double click on canvas and type out. Okay, and connect it here and rename it as get one. Okay, and similarly this will be get two and connect it and made a subsystem so that we can easily use it. So what is to delete it. So this is our get one and get two, and I'm copying this subsystem or rename it as SPWM. Okay, right click and copy this block. I'm copying this block and go to my main Simulink model. Okay, and I'm pasting it here. So this is our SPWM signal. So this is our SPWM signal. Okay, I'm moving this block to right side the to make it easier. Okay, now I'm preliminarily deleting this branch and this also. Okay, I had we need no need of pulse generator block. Delete it and connect it as get one. Sorry, and this is our get to. No need to use not block here. Delete it and connect it to get one, and these are get two. Okay. Our sinusoidal pulse width modulation is added here. Now I'm taking the branch RLC branch again and double click on L, like I'm taking a filter like 5E minus 3, and I'm connecting it here, and again a block in parallel C, like 1E minus 6. You have to connect it parallel, and we need a ground block. Okay, and you will find under specialized power system and connect it. Finally, our load. This was our R value and connect it here. Okay, and our voltage measurement block is here. Okay, before simulating, I'm changing my model parameter. Next step 1E minus 4. So click OK. I think it's okay. Here we have to declare fs for sinusoidal pulse width. I have already declared here. Again, I'm taking as fs equal 4000 for SPWM block. Okay, and I'm changing stop time 0.5 and run it. Okay, now you can see our output waveform is look like sinusoidal. Okay, this is our final desired sinusoidal output. Okay, we have used DC source and sinusoidal pulse width modulation technique and a LC filter to get the sinusoidal output. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.